hoses, would you do the hoses first and then the...
I find it easier to do the hoses first and then the couple of...
Yeah. Oh, if you do the hoses, you're stuck on that side, aren't you?
Yeah, you sort of clamber up again. You get the double on first.
Yeah.
Then the thing I'll get a button there, buckles in,
Yeah.
and then 2 clips. Pop one of them in.
And one over here, just over.
Oh yeah.
That bit's relatively easy, isn't it? Apart from that bit.
Yeah, it's a bit of a pain at the time. And it's where it's sort of... Yeah.
That's a tail lamp, yeah. So that's red because it's the back of the train, and that goes on the back. So that when we get to the other end, if somebody sees this on the back, they know the train's made it back in one piece. That's what that's for. So if the train gets back to the other end and this is missing, the assumption is the other half of the train's down the line somewhere.
So how long is this?
It's just shy of 2 miles each way.
All right.
Is that a skeleton?
I don't know. I'm deferring any opinion.
No, it looks like a skeleton,
It
doesn't
does, doesn't it? Is it?
Like a fish.
Now I'm going to say it looks fish, so it's probably the seagulls have got a
Seagulls are...
feet.
It's not something you see every day, is it?
That's as far as it will go.
Yeah, a couple of turns.
Then it won't roll on. So as you say, sometimes it's probably easier to do that first
First, and then
try and get the bags.